Auto comment TikTok, one click, thousands of comments explode. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto comment on TikTok using the MKT TikPro software. With this tool, you can boost engagement, seed comments, and reach customers extremely fast, without any manual actions. First, we need to add our TikTok accounts into MKT TikPro. You can add multiple accounts at the same time to increase the seeding speed and reduce risks. The software will automatically log in and manage everything for you. Next, we will enter the hashtags that the software will use to search for videos on TikTok and automatically leave comments. You just need to enter hashtags related to your niche. MKT TikPro will automatically find all videos containing those hashtags and filter out the most relevant ones to prepare for commenting. After having the list of hashtags, we will prepare our comment content. You can create multiple comment templates, add emojis, hashtags, or use spin content to avoid duplication. This helps your comments look natural, just like real users. Finally, select the TikTok accounts you want to run and click Start. MKT TikPro will automatically log in, access the videos, and post comments exactly according to the content you have set up. So now you know how to auto-comment on TikTok using MKT TikPro. If you want to try out this tool, leave a comment or inbox me using the information below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to watch more videos on automated marketing tutorials.